hello to all of you watching our video. Today our vehicle is loaded from Bengaluru to Mangalore and Udupi. Let's see what we can experience on this trip. We have just left Bengaluru and arrived at Kunigal. Here the bus going print is a KSRTC bus of the Karnataka government, and this bus is used by people for pleasant journey. And explain about this area. Everywhere you look you can see Greenland. Another special thing is that we can find mostly coconut trees here, and also we can see millet and other crops. In our country of the India, there is switch a thing as overtaking a vehicle from the right side, but the people of this vehicle have made a mistake and they are in a situation of fighting. I also stopped the vehicle and told them please not to fight. Although the vehicle in front was very angry but relieved after what I said. If you go little further you will find a toll gate. This toll gate is available every 50 kilometers. A little further after this toll there is a vehicle parking area. A parking area with free toilets and drinking water specialties are all available. Apart from that, I was happy when I saw sun setting here, and when I went near the millet growing in the absent field my heart skipped a bit. By the time we reached Sakleshpura Ghat, it was dark. The morning I emptied our vehicle in Mangalore and left for Udupi. The situation come to Udupi and emptied some goods and empty to another place to become our fan wing is damaged. Let's go inside Udupi city and take it and see what's going on. After searching for Udupi, I finally found a shop here and I got this fan wing. After coming a little further, I saw a sister sitting there preparing good food that's at a lower rate. Similarly, as many people were sitting on the side and having lunch, that sister near come and I asked how much for lunch. For that we provide food at a very lower rate of 50 rupees for a meal. He said there will be rice, sambar and roti. Then I told sister to parcel a meal. The reason why food is available at switch a lower rate in this one place is so many immigrants there who have come here for works, so they get food at switch a lower price with the intention of letting them get food at a lower price. After all this, I looked for a bus to come to our vehicle. I didn't know which bus will go there. Since it was very late, I took on auto and went in the auto. Finally, the Bugatti used to our vehicle and drop use of. We saw that our vehicle was parked there, and so I come close to the vehicle now. It was time to eat. After eating, it was like home cooked food. It tastes food. Look, I saw it here before, but I was wandering around. If you like to this video, like and subscribe. Hello.